Today we will learn how to do an easy Diwali painting. So first we will start making a lamp or a diya by making a smaller 8 and a semicircle and on the top of it a fire. Once this is done, we're just figuring out okay there's a small spot I gave it just to give understanding then later we'll do it. Now we have taken chrome yellow or the deep yellow and started circling it and on the diya. Now, understand that this lamp, your color should not go below it. So, once we have added a little bit white, now we are adding orange color. Once the orange is done, we will add scarlet lake. Now we will add vermilion hue. On the top of it, we will add scarlet lake. So, once this is over, now we have the entire setup. So, we will put enough color to fill all the white dots and all the white pores. Remember, your color should not go beyond the line of the lamp. Now, with the help of a stamp, we'll start smudging it or blending it. Now, see, we're not going to start from the top, but we are going to start from the middle, from yellow to orange, orange to red, red to little darker red, so that we have a complete blend and a continuation and a gradual change of color from yellow to red. And now, if you look at this, as I'm also trying to fill in one direction once the overs in the other direction crossed, so that it should not look like, in one direction. It should look like a little smudge and color. And also in the edge area, I'm just trying to push it. So see, when I'm doing this cross section, you're actually getting this full views of it, and slowly I'm bringing it close to it. Still, I see a little bit more reddish in the contour, so I want it more yellow color so that I can have a better blend over here. And now, once this is over, I am again little reworking on the surfaces where I see little strokes of blend. Now this is over. I will take vermilion hue, put up a red border, and then top in the bottom we will add little bit orange, and then the yellow is already there, and I'll just mix it up a little bit. Once this is done, I'll take again white and then blur this area. Now with the help of finger tip, I'll just smudge it and it will look much brighter now. Now I've taken a light purple and with the help of purple, I will fill this total area. Now what will happen is that when we have purple and the crimson lake mixed, you will see a little dark color coming in. I have taken a little bit more darker version of purple also, so that I get a little shade. I will start first smudging the entire light purple. Always remember the blend has to start from the light color so that you don't transfer the dark colors into light. And once this is over, I'll start mixing both red and purple a little bit so that we have a better blend. And then I'm doing it this side also. Once this is over, I will try working on in the border part of this lap also. See this border? Yes. So now I think that this is over. Now I will take little brown, which is burnt sienna, a little border over there, then the black color to fill in inside, and then orange. So black I will use later because that's the last thing I wanted to do, and I don't want my color to be shifted from one part to the other part. So I've added a orange and then little bit blender so that it can go from one direction to the other direction and filled properly so that there is no white dots that visible. Once this is over, then we will add little bit of black. So once this is the black is over, now you can do a lot of other designs here, but I would prefer to make it just as simple as possible so that you can finish in half an hour time. I'm just giving 3 day lines with red color and your this over, then one straight line, then one diagonal kite type of structure just to show that the lamps are there. You can keep it here or you can add little bit white as a little bit yellow, light yellow. You can do that. So see, I'm adding little bit light yellow here. But You don't need it. You can keep it empty, and only the black part will also do. So now I will remove this slowly so that it doesn't take away. But you see that from my finger, the color has been transferred. So you have to you have to clean your hand first before you remove the masking tape. For more easy drawing, follow and subscribe Hirok's Art Gallery, my channel.